Well, I'm back up north again with my dad and my dog, and we're gonna go hunting. This is the last weekend of gun season. I already got one deer. It was a little buck. So I can still get one more though. I have one more license to use. It has to be a 4-point or bigger, and so I may see one, but I'm not very optimistic up here. I haven't been seeing many deer up here this year, but it could happen. So anyway, it's just, as I always say, it's about getting up here and outdoors more than anything, and so it should be a good time. Well, it's day number 2. I went out hunting this morning. I didn't see anything, but that doesn't surprise me. So I think I'm gonna go out now and make like a little blind / fort in the woods out of saplings, bend them over, tie them off, and then come out later, maybe put a tarp over it, or put some natural materials on top of it. Alright, this is kind of the area that I want to check out. Got all these little saplings here, these maple mostly, and I'll look around here and see, because I gotta have a clear enough area to be able to shoot through all this stuff too, so I don't want to be right in the middle of all these saplings. But there's a big trail that goes that way, and then there's another one over here somewhere too. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, first I'll use this tree here as my first one that's in the ground. I'm going to have to cut some down. So my circle will kind of come through here, like so, around Nala there, something like that. There. Got one. Put this on here on this side. Shove that down there. Far enough? Oh man. Alright, let's see if we can bend these over. I don't know if I have them deep enough in the ground or not. So hopefully this will be enough to tie them together. A lot of hoping going on here. Seems to be working so far. Like that. Alright, there's one side. There we go. One down. I don't know how many more to do. As many as I want. So that's what I've got so far. You can walk in here Got enough room to stand up, which is nice. You could actually lay down in here. It's big enough for that. But I got more work to do for sure. I've got 1, 2, 3, and I probably should at least put another one here to here over, or 2. And then I could just throw a tarp over this thing, or I could keep going with it and maybe weave some saplings in there, which would be kind of cool. Then you could keep this side open, you know, with a door here to get in, and then you know, have little windows and spots, and then totally conceal other areas, probably like the back side. But it'll be a work in progress. It's a lot of work. Well, it's the morning. What a difference a morning can make, a day can make. Had ice storms last night and a bunch of snow. So today I'll probably do a little hunting, which I probably won't bring you along with, and do more work on the shelter that I was making out there. So should be a good day. Yeah, this bark is just covered with a layer of ice. Oh, there's the snow. Man, my swing. 1. Oh yeah, snowy. Snowy. Sorry about that, I had to blow the snow off my mic. Come here. That goes there. Now, gotta let my hands warm up. See if we can tie these down. There, got that side down. I have a shovel with me, but if you didn't have a shovel, let's say you're out here doing this and you didn't have a shovel, you could make a digging stick. Well, alright, I got 8 poles now, all the way around, and now I'll weave some saplings in between here. I think I'll put the door in the back there, keep this about this high so I can see this way, and then, you know, fill in the rest. There's one. tough one. There. One down. Uh-oh. Oh, it snapped. Snapped on me. Well, I got a pretty decent start on this thing. It's going to take a lot more work. It's just not really the right conditions to be doing this. There's ice on everything, and it's just making it really difficult. So as you can see, I got some done, but I got to go way up, or at least up a little ways. I'm not sure how far I'll go. Should go faster as I progress up, because it gets, of course, it gets smaller on the top. And then I may just put a tarp on it, or I may find cattails or something and make some natural thatching to go on there. But anyway, thanks for joining me. Battery's about to die. So next time I come up here, I'll maybe do some work on it then.